Yes. Oh, 11/13/2022. It's a little chilly right now. I'm cold. Because my hair's wet from last night. I'll tell you, the noises from the fucking room are annoying. Yes, I'm glad we have heat, but shit, like, it's like a microwave thing, I think, too. You hear the beeping? Alright, as soon as I came out here before, like a minute ago, maybe, like, really? There's nobody at the corner right now, so when the taxi cab pulls in, they beep on purpose. They're perps. They're just beeping for whoever, they think is outside right now. Because they can't really see me through this car. So, see if I can get any perps on video while I'm doing this. So I'm going to try to make it quick. So between the stupid fucking noises from the boiler room and then I have to eventually change out my light fixture. I have to eventually change my light fixture because it's burning basically. The bulbs are, they're not old, they're new. But the light fixture itself, they don't make that kind of stuff anymore because, it could cause a house fire. So eventually, when the bulb, burns out, I'm going to replace the whole thing. And the new ones are very small too. They take up less room. And the bulbs last for like 3 years or 10 years. I don't remember what he said how many years they last, but they also last a long time. So that's good. I'm not changing them as often. They would get away with, making us pay more money, but they did that already. It caused a lot of house fires, so they can't do that no more. So the perps started coming around after I went back in the house last night. There's one. There's nobody there. You hear traffic? I don't hear traffic, so what the fuck are they beeping for? Exactly. There's no reason. But that's what they do. Anyways. So last night, I went in the house earlier than usual because I had to take a shower. Anyways. So as soon as I went out, the freaking camera's going off crazy. And she needs batteries. So I didn't catch anything before. But the thing from the post office is gone, so I don't know, whether they call to have it come picked up or wow, like beeping already. Look at this lady just coughing and beeping. Guy, of course, she's coughing because he smokes. And she just had a sneeze, so it wasn't a perp thing. The handlers are out here too. Anytime they hear anybody coughing or sneezing, and it's actually a regular thing, then they start beeping. If you noticed just now when I just caught it on camera. So anyways, I changed batteries yesterday, and we were out for a couple hours, and the camera went off like crazy all day, right? But at night time, it went even more nuts, and a million cars kept coming down the block. And then people came back around the block at like 2 o'clock in the morning. From 2 in the morning till like, I want to say 3. Those people coming, walking around. I'm like, I've never seen that many people walk around at all. Maybe because of Dunkin', I don't know. But a lot of them seemed like they were drunk. So. And we do have a liquor store on the corner, so I don't know if he's open at that time. I would hope not, but he's all stores. Yeah, 24 hours, so they could get liquor anywhere, I guess. Well, beer anyway. People just don't care about their lives, so they like to get hot-headed and drunk. Not ideal, but that's what people do. And they say I have nothing better to do. I don't drink or do anything else like that. That's why everybody hates me. You know, who knew being a good person makes people hate you? You know, I don't want to piss my pants, so let me not drink too much. I don't want to shit myself. Let me not eat too much. You know what I mean? It's like a bad thing to not do that stuff. So stupid. This world is retarded. It is. It's upside down. It's backwards. Alright, sounds like I don't honk the horn. And there's only a few of the cars that come by in the middle of the night. Just slam on the brakes and on the gas. And they drive fast, right? There's this one small sports car. It's like a silver sports car. And the top goes down, so it's like a cloth top. It's black. The top is black. And it's, it comes around a lot. Every night when I come out here, I sit out here for just a few minutes, not even an hour or nothing. It's just coming around like 3 or 4 times. Like, what are you doing? Oh boy, your tire is flat. I think your tire is flat. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't think you're picking up anybody today at your car service. I don't think he even knows he has a flat tire. You can't pick anybody up with that. There's a fucking mechanic around the corner too. Flat tires changed. You should have went there. Anyways, what they're doing is the cars when they're coming by at that late hour, they're not honking the horn like they used to. So hopefully they start again. I want to see it. Yeah, I don't see anybody. Just stopped at the car first place. Change. Car change. Place first. So not much else going on. See you later.